Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best water pad is probably one of the most exciting and refreshing ways for your little ones to beat the summer heat, transforming your backyard into a splash-tastic adventure zone right at home, offering endless hours of supervised fun and cooling relief without the need for a full-sized pool, making it an ideal solution for families seeking simple yet engaging outdoor entertainment for their children during those hot sunny days. Number 5. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad. Say goodbye to slips and falls with our non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this awesome sprinkler pool. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. With its durable materials and unique design, everyone will be wagging their tails with excitement. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to splash around. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with its shallow weighting design and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free, so you can have fun without any worries. We're committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, contact our friendly team for a solution. What we like? This one is extra large and features a non-slip surface for added safety. If you have both kids and pets, and are looking for a spacious play area for everyone to enjoy, you should consider this. What people say. The sprinkler pad is a good size for toddlers and preschoolers. It's easy to set up and connect to a hose. The water sprays out from the edges, creating a fun splashing effect. Number 4. Jasonwell Splash Pad Sprinkler Play Mat. Introducing the Jasonwell Splash Pad, the perfect way for your little ones to cool off and have fun. It's designed for babies, toddlers, and even your furry friends. This large, 68-inch water-filled sprinkler mat offers a generous space for children aged 18 months and up to play. It's also a great way for your dog to cool down on hot summer days. Get ready for some serious fun with our exclusive shark design. Kids can lay or sit inside the shark's mouth, enjoying the sprinkle and spray for amazing summer memories and photos. Setting up is a breeze. Simply connect it to your garden hose and adjust the water pressure to control the spray height. It's ready for playtime in minutes. Crafted from durable, non-toxic PVC with strong, reinforced joints, this water toy is built to last. It ensures safe play without any harmful chemicals. Looking for a fantastic gift? This sprinkler pad is a guaranteed hit for birthdays and parties. It's a safe and exciting way to enjoy the outdoors. What we like? It boasts an exclusive shark design and is very easy to set up. If you're looking for a fun, visually engaging splash pad with a simple setup process, you should consider this. What people say. The sprinkler pad is made of durable material that holds up well to play. It's easy to connect to a standard garden hose and provides a good amount of water spray. The size is perfect for toddlers and young children to splash around in. Number 3. Intex Gator Inflatable Kiddie Pool. Get ready for endless summer fun with this exciting inflatable kiddie pool. It's designed to bring joy and laughter to your backyard all season long. This pool is packed with features to keep your little ones entertained. It includes a fun slide with a soft landing, playful sprinklers, a bucket, and even a flow-a-tie for extra enjoyment. Connecting a garden hose is a breeze, activating the water sprayer for continuous backyard excitement. It's the perfect way to cool down on hot days. Crafted from durable PVC, this pool is made to withstand countless hours of play, ensuring it lasts summer after summer. You can count on its quality for years of fun. It holds up to 42 gallons of water and supports up to 120 pounds, making it ideal for younger children. Its dimensions are perfect for backyard play. Recommended for children aged 2 and up, this inflatable pool provides a safe and engaging water play experience. It's a fantastic way to introduce toddlers to water fun. What we like? This option is an inflatable pool that comes with a slide, bucket, and flow-a-tie. If you want a more traditional pool experience with added play features and are looking for a water play center rather than just a sprinkler mat, you should consider this. What people say. The water pad is a good size for toddlers and preschoolers, providing ample space for them to play and splash around. It's easy to set up and connect to a garden hose, and the water spray pattern is gentle enough for young children. The durable material holds up well to regular use, and it's simple to drain and store when not in use. Number 2. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad and Sprinkler for Kids. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure. This innovative splash pad makes learning easy and enjoyable for your little one. It even has a built-in learning mat for educational play. Beat the heat with this refreshing splash pad, perfect for children 12 months and older. Watch them have endless fun under the cool water sprinklers. It's an ocean of adventure right in your backyard. Keep your kids cool and safe with this parent-approved outdoor toy. It's designed with their well-being in mind, being BPA and phthalates-free. Enjoy worry-free fun in the sun and shade. We believe in the power of learning through play for healthy development. This product offers both educational activities and outdoor fun in one amazing package. It's a fantastic summer activity. As parents ourselves, we prioritize safety and quality. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, our customer care team is here to help make it right. What we like. This splash pad doubles as an educational learning mat, making learning fun. If you prioritize early childhood development and want your little ones to learn while they play, you should consider this. What people say. The sprinkler pad is a good size for toddlers and preschoolers. It is easy to set up and fill with water. The water sprays in a fun and engaging way, keeping kids entertained for hours. Number 1. VISTOP 67 Non-Slip Splash Pad. Introducing the VISTOP 67-inch splash pad, designed for safe and fun water play. Its non-slip texture ensures stability for children aged 4 to 8, preventing slips and injuries. This upgraded splash pad is built to last, even for energetic pets. Made without BPA and phthalates, it's a safe and durable water toy for toddlers to enjoy the summer. Unlike thinner alternatives, our splash pad features a 0.55 mm thickness for superior durability. Both children and pets can play freely without worrying about damage. The double-edged design with widened sealing prevents cracking and allows you to adjust the water pressure and spray direction for a customized experience. Create unforgettable memories with a backyard water party on this spacious 59-inch splash pad. It's ideal for outdoor fun in backyards, beaches, and lawns for the whole family, including pets. What we like. It's made with a thickened, durable material and features a non-slip texture for enhanced safety. If you have pets that tend to be rough or are looking for a splash pad that is built to last, you should consider this. What people say. The water pad is easy to set up and provides hours of fun for kids. It's durable and holds up well to active play. The spray pattern is adjustable, allowing for different water effects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.